Okay, Saturday, the 28th of January, 2023. We are coming under 285 on Buford Highway. We are headed south inside the perimeter, ITP. And we got caught by the light, so this will be we'll cut it off and start again. It is mid-50s. It's 10 after 1. This is a hodgepodge video. We're just putting a bunch of stuff that's totally unrelated together and seeing how it turns out. I say we are ITP. So I think we'll go down Buford Highway until we get to Lenox Road. Then we may cut through to where the new Krispy Kreme, well, the original Krispy Kreme is being rebuilt from after the fire. How many local Atlanta people are still around here? Old Sarge used to be up here on the right. I loved Old Sarge. Army Navy store. Yeah, hodgepodge videos, a bunch of unrelated things just scrambled together. Used to be a Sears liquidation store in that shopping center there to the left. Used to be a McDonald's up here. Is it still up here or is it gone? It's been a long time. The McDonald's was right there. I guess it's gone. New apartments over there. There's a Shamley's to our right. Coming up on Claremont Road here in a little bit. Right here coming up on Shamley Tucker. Or soon. Be Shallowford here because it cuts across Shamley Tucker. Yeah, this is Shallowford. The next one down there will be Shamley Tucker. And Shallowford will take you over and dead end into La Vista. Okay, well that's Shamley Dunwoody. Shamley Tucker will be up here. See how much wrong information I give out? Now if I'm not mistaken, this shopping center over here, originally it opened up as an Arlen's. How many old time Atlanta people, wasn't that an Arlen's over there? Or maybe it's right here on this corner, but I think there used to be an Arlen's. Yeah, here's Shamley Tucker, and this Burger King down here. I don't know if it's one of the first or if it's still here. I think it's still here. I remember the first Whopper I remember hearing about, it was 35 cents down here. At this one on the left down here. Yeah, Buford Highway, ITP, inside the perimeter. Is that Burger King still down here, or is it gone? I think it was right there. No? Well, it's gone anyway. There used to be an IRS building over there to the right. PDK, Dekalb Peachtree Airport's over here to the right. What is all that new stuff? Now, old time Atlanta people, PDK came some from Decatur too, though, so I guess right up here on the left, on the hill. Now this right here on the left, that's public safety now, Chamblee Public Safety, but that white building right there is where I bought the 95 Grand Cherokee. That was the Neil Pope Jeep Ford. Yeah, that little skating rink was right up the hill on the left. And right up here there was a Ford dealership. A lot of trucks out there. I don't remember what the Ford dealership's name was, but they always had a car down here at the save station. Well, they were giving it away. You'd have tickets. In 1957, Daddy won a 1957 Ford 500, Fairlane 500. Red and white, 3-speed on the column. Had 4 tickets and won the car. Yeah, this is Dresden. To the left, it'll take you over to Shallowford. To the right, it'll take you down through whatever that little city is. But yeah, the one day I wasn't with Mother and Daddy and Wayne, they won the car. Brookhaven, yeah, to the right, take you right through Brookhaven. Yeah, the Ford dealership may have been up here on the left. The save station was just down in the flat, on the other side of this hill here before you get to Claremont Road. I think it was. I think that Ford dealership was right up here on the left. And then right down here in the flat was a Save gas station. Is that Cuban restaurant still right here somewhere? Crossing over Claremont Road, that's Georgia Highway 155. Take you all the way down through McDonough and beyond. To the right, it'll take you up into Chamblee, and I think dead ends up there in Chamblee. First shot, I guess. May have already got a shot at it, but there's your first shot of, first one I've noticed anyway, of Atlanta skyline. road will take you up there to Peachtree Industrial, Peachtree Street, whatever they call it up there. And then this Northwood Hills too. That's if you go to the right. If you go to the left, it'll take you down to Church Street, Decatur, US 29. And when it crosses over, it turns into Valley Brook. And right over here on the other side, on the right, is the Rusty Nail, and I think it's still there, if I'm not mistaken. Man, all them folks wanting to jump the gun, they're starting to run that red light before it turned green. Let's see if the Rusty Nail's still down here. They got a big old barbecue pistol. Barbecue pistol's still there. Yep, Rusty Nail is still there. That's the middle fork of Peachtree Creek, or North Fork. I think that's the North Fork of Peachtree Creek there. The South Fork will come across Scott Boulevard down there at, well, y'all know where it is, down there south, just south of North Cab. Okay, we're going to be coming up on Lenox Road, coming to Atlanta city limits. We need to get in the left-hand lane because we're going to turn left. And that'll end this hodgepodge video, and we'll start another one heading to the original Krispy Kreme, where the construction has supposedly started back from the fire. Uh-oh, we're in the wrong lane. I don't want to go straight, folks. I want to turn left. I thought we had 2 lanes turning left here. Okay, that's what I wanted to do too. Thank you. Okay, let's turn it off now. We're only coming under 85.